Hello and welcome to the Shanghai Call Center. For service in European languages, such as English, French, German, or Spanish, please press 1.
Hi, good morning. Well, good afternoon, yeah. I need the telephone number of the Consulate General of the Republic of Malta in Shanghai, please.
Malta?
Malta, yes. Malta in Europe.
Can you spell that for me, please?
M-A-L-T-A. Malta.
Malta? Oh, sure. Hold on a second. I'll check for you. Hello, sir?
Hi.
So I'm afraid they don't have a consulate in Shanghai.
Well, it's listed on your shanghai.gov.cn as number 75. Consulate General of the Republic of Malta, opened on the 9th of May 2014 on the 11th floor, Unit 7, Magnolia Plaza, 777 Hongyao Road, Shuhui District, Shanghai.
I'll confirm for you. Hold on a second. Hello, sir?
Hi.
Hello, sorry to keep you waiting. I'm sorry, we don't have any information about Malta consulate in Shanghai.
That's very strange because it's listed on your website.
I was checking their website as well. Just we don't have any further information. They only have an embassy in Beijing.
I see. Okay, that's very interesting. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
listening.
Bye-bye.